How to rank for unlimited HVAC keywords on Google search. Guys, showing up at the top on keywords is where everybody is. It's where you need to be. Talk about it all the time. I still like this old school approach of going for organic because it's over 70% of what people do. And people will argue with me about this and say, people click on the ads. I'm like, where do you click? Well, I never click on the ads.
They're always like, oh.
When's the last time anybody, local service company, guy gets out, doesn't want it, needs a roofer, needs something else, whatever it is, asphalt, nobody clicks on an ad. Nobody does.